Having served in the Indian Army, you've undoubtedly experienced moments of both triumph and difficulty, especially during wars. Could you share what that experience was like and how your time in the army shaped you as an individual? I also want to understand the survival instinct that comes during those tough times.
See, life as it is tough. And it becomes more tougher when you are, wading through the slush and the enemy bullets are firing. I recall 1971, forget about 65, दोनों बता दूंगा तो शायद पूरी स्टोरी खत्म हो जाएगी. चलो पहले 65 का बताता हूँ. Pakistan war. I was driving a jeep. I was generally used to have an open jeep. तो लोग कहते थे तेरे को डर नहीं लगता ऊपर से गोली गोली मारेगा ये करेगा. तो मैं कह साले का निशाना भी तो ठीक होना चाहिए. तो देख चुप हो जाते थे. I was driving. My co-driver sitting. One gunman sitting at the back. गन नीचे थी. बनिहाल टनल के पास से निकल रहे थे. पाकिस्तानी ऊपर थे. दो गोलियां लगी. मेरे को नहीं लगी, मेरे दोनों जवानों को लगी. जल्दी से मैं नियर बाई एम्बुलेंस थी, एम्बुलेंस को बोल करके साथ में ही एमआई रूम था वहाँ ले गया. तो द नर्स ने बोला सीरियस. मैं कहा हाँ उसके गोली छाती में लगी है. कहती वो नहीं, दूसरे के घुटने में लगी थी. वो जोर जोर से बोल रहा था मैं मर गया, 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 मैं मर गया. ट्रू स्टोरी बता रहा हूँ. जो यहाँ पे लगी थी मैंने कहा बच्चे तेरा क्या हाल चाल है. कहता साहब मैं मर ही नहीं सकता. मैं क्या कमाल है. कहते मेरे 3 तो बच्चे हैं. एनीवे मैं घंटा 2 घंटे कहीं पे सो के जीप में वापस आ गया. जीप ड्राइव की. सुबह आया तो नर्स ने बोला वो क्रिटिकल था ना तो मर गया. मैंने कहा हाँ उसके हार्ट में लगी. कहती वो नहीं मरा, वो जिसके टांग में लगी थी वो मर गया.
It's all in the mind.
तकदीर यहाँ पे है निधि जी. उसने बोला था 51% तेरे पास है. मैंने तो 49 रखी हुई है. सेकेंड टाइम बांग्लादेश. सिंस आई वॉज ट्रेनिंग मुक्ति बानी 3 months बिफोर एंड सैम बहादुर साहब से मिले थे बहुत बार. वी आर द पीपल हु गॉट 95,000 prisoners of Bangladesh. We are that para commandos.
Wow.
And red devils as they call it. I used to go inside before the war, 4th of December 71. 3 महीने अंदर जाके pick up volunteers, bring them on this side 250 miles, रामपुर हट, ट्रेनिंग दिलवा, ट्रेनिंग करके अंदर इंडक्ट कर पाकिस्तानियों से लड़. ये मेरा काम था. They wanted one officer like that. And having known Sam Bahadur Sahab, he said, I know one officer with that fire. I'll give you that. So I used to attend one of those top secret conferences, underground and all that before the war. While we were going, Khulna, Jessore, which is in Bangladesh, इतना पानी था. तो गाड़ियाँ निकल नहीं रही थी. तो मेरा एज ए मैकेनिकल ऑफिसर विद आर्मर्ड कोर, पैराज एंड ऑल दैट सारा इतनी बैकग्राउंड होते हुए, तो आई टोल्ड ऑल दिस पीपल मैं के डोंट सिट इनसाइड. स्लश के बीच में गाड़ी को पहले निकालो क्योंकि इट्स फुल ऑफ स्लश एंड ऑल. फ्रॉम ए स्कूल द chap, 3 chaps sitting with a guns, automatic. They found this chap is an ordinary chap, और जो next में था, जिसने रैंक वैंक डाले हुए थे, कर्नल साहब, drop dead. मैंने अपने सामने देखा है लोगों को शूट होते हुए. Although of course we captured the small little that school. So war teaches you a lot, and it's not the blind courage, but the courage you carry intelligently in the war gets you the winner's trophy.
Did you ever go against your superiors? They have not given you any advice to go ahead on that, but you have to make a decision. Have you gone against them and made that?
You see, it's very simple. You know what is best. Because you're at the punch. Nobody can understand how strong is his punch, or with the enemy when you're talking, you're face to face when you are. And your training has taught you enough. Many a time you will go bold to win over the situation. Instead of waiting for orders, fire. You may have to open a fire before. I know ceasefire says don't open fire. But one soldier has been killed on the left or right. The bullets are firing on you. You will go and attack.
Right.
And I have plenty of friends and all that, senior officers, who have been given kinds of unbelievable awards, all kinds of chakras, who went in and recaptured the pocket or picket or the land. Decision is entirely yours. Or keep waiting for the orders.
Yeah.
And maybe that you lose land and lose more people.
Very true.
You should be able to justify why you opened the fire. You should be able to, whether it was for the country or for your men. I always said your men first, your people first.
True.
You fight for your country and people. Then the organization, whether it's bureaucrats or politicians.
What do you think should be the solution to the Kashmir issue?
Peace, all of us want, and all of us want existence. दे दो ना, और अपना बना लो ना. अपना बनाओगे जब तुम डिफरेंसेस नहीं निकालोगे. मैंने तो वो गवर्नर देखे हैं जो बड़े नज़दीकी भी रहे, दोस्त नहीं बोल सकता, चाहने वाले रहे. VN Vora Sahab was governor over there. Another one, again from paratroopers, Major, they come and meet me India International Center in Delhi, being also the life member over there. I think when it comes to giving, हम जब तक नमक ना डाल दें देना नहीं चाहते, तो स्वाद तो मर जाएगा ना. तो आपस में लड़ा के करके डिवाइड करके, तो इट कम बैक टू सेम थिंग, डिवाइड एंड रूल. अदरवाइज हमने ही बांटे हैं. हम छोटी छोटी जगह को बांटते 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 वही गढ़वाल कमाऊं वही उत्तराखंड, वही जिसको मर्जी टुकड़े करते करते हमने टुकड़े बना दिए. And outside country, of course, it's all political. I can't comment. That's too high. Whether how we should make a relationship with Pakistan or China or Russia or other बड़े लोगों के काम है. I never sat into that. But one watches that. It's all give and take game, and how healthily you do it. Involve public. You will win according to me. Wherever you involve, and younger generation. Kashmir is a very complicated issue. We have made it so big. Otherwise, it's a beautiful land. Having lived there right up to Ladakh,
Right.
name a mountain, so I know inch by inch
Wow.
that place. Heaven on earth. So is your Himachal, so is your Uttarakhand, so is your Sikkim. And we are the richest one with the Himalayas with us.
You have been so successful. How much credit would you give to your family in reaching where you have reached today?
Very good question. तगमे तो सारे इनको लगने चाहिए थे, लेकिन मेरे यहाँ पे लगा दिए तो मैं क्या करूँ? आपका सिस्टम ही देता है. You know, it's the family, whether it was father, mother, or my grandfather who kept on saying, एक ना एक दिन वो blah blah. But I think as you grow bigger, have your own children, how you look after your children, they look after you accordingly. Sooner or later तुम्हें वो अपने हाथ में प्रसाद वापस मिलेगा. We would have not made it to the pole if we were not together, 9 of us. We would have never reached the South Pole. The first woman in the world always said, we used to have something called, after 8 hours of skiing, pushing our body and 30 kgs of load, minus this thing. The leader was a very smart chap. Chota sa, third class. Shall we carry on? Now people have to say yes or no. I used to look up first 10 days. Yes, carry on, Shirley will say. We will not stop. I used to say, we need rest. Because I was very slow. Shirley was very fast. Shirley had sold off all our stores in Honolulu to become the first woman in the world to walk to the South Pole.
Wow.
As American. After 20 days, JK was leading. Same question will be on, and Shirley is dragging. Shirley had blisters, if you see the photographs and all that. And Shirley had NBC camera, and along with the load. So I used to say, Shirley, you want me to carry your camera? I'll carry. But we said no. We'll go by the weakest. We never said weakest, the slowest.
Okay.
Slowly, steadily, surely, we all reach the pole. एक जना बोला, it was 49th day, 50th, and we could see the pole. Amundsen Scott Station, black dot, pole nazar aa gaya. Because there's no track. We are the first one with theodolites and bloody sextants, यार. तुम नीचे ही घूमते रह जाते हैं, सूरज डूबता ही नहीं है. तो कहता है, we must reach today only. We had already done 32 kilometers.
Wow.
I said, कल तो आ जाने दो. एक दिन में. It took us 1 hour to convince कि कल भी आनी है. That's how we reached on 17th January at the bottom of the earth.
Before we wrap up, is there anything you'd like to share with our audience, a final piece of advice or wisdom?
I would say live your full life. When I say full life means the God has given you body and the brain and one heart. Don't keep playing through your heart. Play with your mind. Stay focused. Focus on what? Your goals. If you will not pick up goals, people will push you into the goals and you may not like those goals. So have desire and fire within. And then it comes up. Stay focused on your goal in your hand and be determined. Once you are determined, just do one thing only. Persist to achieve. And say, achieve I must. You will never stop success preceding success, success after success. Yes, be part of the team. And your first team is your own family. Be part of the family. They have the real gold coins in their pocket. When they give it, salute them, use them, and if you are lucky, return at some age. I haven't done it at the age of 83, but I'll do it one day. We all have a South Pole in our life. Go and achieve it.